Hello, friends, students, and enthusiasts. So, one more project in our project series of videos. So, this project is basically based on electric vehicles, that is smart EV charging station based project. So, name of the project is ESP32 smart charging using RFID authentication plus energy monitoring and web dashboard. Suppose a vehicle comes on for charging, so you have the complete information, the control is in your hand, and that is the main project. I told you ESP smart charging, that is we are using a RFID authentication, energy monitoring, and web dashboard. In the center, you can see there is a web dashboard. The same type of dashboard will be there where you will have start, stop, or you can adjust the time in minutes also. So this includes RFID and authentication. OLED display will be there, which will be giving you the complete information. ACS712 current sensor I have used is that is 30 amps or 20 amps or 5 amps, depending upon your project related. If you are doing a mini project, if you are doing a major project, where you are showing that the load is more at that time, you can choose according to your load. I've used one relay also, that is a relay charging control. Web dashboard, as you can see on your screen, which will have a start and stop charging current button, and power and energy monitoring. What is there on the monitoring status? Right now it is stopped. Current monitoring will be there, power monitoring will be there, energy, that is in kilowatt or watt per hours. So RFID or the authentication relay charging on off, I can do it. OLED display shows the current, amp, watt, and watts per hour. All right, so components I have used here, ESP32 development board, because it's an IoT based project. So because I am using a web dashboard, so it's an IoT based project. So ESP32 microcontroller, MFRC522 RFID module I have used, SSD1306 OLED display for locally checking, ACS712 current sensor I have used. You can use any of the sensor, 5 to 30 amps, 5 volt relay, LED, just for it I have added one LED, and smartphone charger, battery, or DC load, jumper wires, and breadboard. These are the things which are required for this thing. This is a simple block diagram, that is ESP32 in the center. RFID connects to that. Current sensor also connect to that. Current sensor, we are giving load because the load has to be calculated. So load can be given. So relay module output goes to charging, and it is the relay module is controlled by ESP32. OLED display will display all the parameters which we have just discussed. So the guide is step by step how the things has to be followed. Install libraries first. Wire up your hardware as the wiring cable that I'll be giving you the schematic diagram. Edit the sketch, that is SSID and password is to be changed. That is whatever SSID and password, accordingly you have to change. All the calculations are been done that I will be sharing with you. Also replace authorize UID with your card UID. That is authorize, if you want to authorize a card, that is if some customer comes with a prepaid authorization, then he has to enter a card in front of the RFID. So you can just put the card number in the beginning itself. Upload the sketch to the ESP32. Open serial monitor. You should see Wi-Fi IP and ACS offset voltage printed. Find your device IP from serial monitor. Open the IP in browser to view the dashboard, right, directly. Test the RFID, scan the card. The OLED should display RFID, okay, charging, on off you can test. So these are the testing part of that. That is step by step how you will go. A simple schematic diagram. This diagram I made it with my own hands, so it will not be this thing, but diagram, accurate diagram I have given you. Simple smart charging station IoT using ESP32. So I don't have to explain you. That is the AC712. That is the charger. One the load I have shown as a battery, and the power supply regulator I have used, and with the help of a power supply I have given by, because I was using a relay also. So I have connected a separate power supply for this. So let's go and check in our lab how the things are working. I hope you will like it. I will share everything, all details, that is codes, everything will be shared with you, and you can do the project. It can be used as a mini project. It can be used as a major project also. Right. Friends, students, we are in our lab now. So I will explain you about the complete whole circuit. So this is my battery pack. This I've used two batteries over here. It's approximately 7.4 volts. This is my 5-volt relay. Relay 3 connection, that is positive, negative, and one is going to Arduino. Not sorry, or not for the Arduino. It is ESP32. Okay. And the other side, this side, we will put a load. Load means from here, 1 point from here, I will give it to the chargings, and another point will be from ground. Okay. So this is my current sensor. This one is my current sensor. So current sensor, right now I have connected this load. That is, through this load, I'm giving, what is the load? Through that I will be giving same connection. I will give it to the relay, and from relay output I will be giving it to the charging point. This is a prototype. Please remember this. This is my LCD display. I have put one LED also. That is, when this switch is on, the LED I can control from my app. So LED will be on when the relay is on. LED will be off when the relay is off. This is my RFID. Okay, 522 RFID. Okay. So as you can see here on the screen, how much it is showing. It is right now the status is off status. Okay, and the current is approximately 0.02 amps, and power is equal to 10.3 watts, and load is 1.085. So what I'm trying to tell you is I can just control it through my application also. So when I switch on, when the load is there, that is charging is there, it will automatically change. This load will change. I will show you once again how the things will be changing. So like I suppose if I am using an RF, this thing. So automatically when I switch this, when I bring this, my RFID, that is customer comes in, and if it wants to start the charger, then he will put this thing here, and here automatically it will be on. Okay, on. And it will go on. You can see on my screen, that is, I have opened the screen. You can see the same values which are there, and there is a control system also. Must have noticed one more thing, that is set timer minutes. I can set the timer minutes. That means if I want to use this option, I have to make some changes in my codes also. Okay, so this is a start. I can manually start and stop. I will just show you. There is a LED over here, right? This is the LED over here. So suppose if I start from here, if I press a button like start, the LED comes on. That means my relay starts, charging starts. Yeah? I can manually control it. I can stop it also. You can see I can stop it also. So all the values will be shown over here, and I can control it here also. The value also can be shown through IoT. You will get an IP address. That IP address I'm going to show you how you are going to get it in the codes. Okay. So this is my ESP32 smart charging station with this, that is status, how it is working. That is current it will show, power it will show, energy. Make it control also, start and stop also. So these are the options I have given on this. Okay, so I will be sharing the complete details. 2 connections, 5 connection from here. I have used a regulator, that is 5-volt regulator over here. That means from here I have given it to this From here, I have given it to the current point. From here, it will go to the RFID and rest of the connection. For this, it is coming from the microcontroller. So I will be sharing the program also with you. It's a very simple project, very good and very innovative type of project. So any details you will be getting, or you can ask me about the details. Here are the codes. Quickly, I will just tell you in the beginning. So these are the complete details, right? There's a complete detail of the connections, what we have given. From here, the library starts. These are the 4 libraries. So user configuration, you have to give the details of your SSID password that we discussed before. Pin number, all the pin numbers and already descriptions and all. This is about the analog voltage, which has been given by ACS712. That is analog, that is pin number 36 of the ESP. Okay, these are the calculations we have for calculation purpose, and relay pin is given to pin number 13. Okay, so since it's IoT, the server is working on 80, and the timer. If you want to give the timer, you can just put your details about the timers and all, as we have seen in the application. As you have seen already in the application, that timer we can give if, from here itself. Okay, so suppose you can see here in the application, we can give the timer also. So very simple, white display and everything has been given. Here is your application, what will be displayed for the display purpose. These are the things, that is your web server, and all the details has been written. So here, wherever it is written that what things you have to change, or you can change, you can make the changes and all, and accordingly you can directly load. I will be sharing this. So as soon as you go here, you go to tools first, select the boards, then the COM port. As soon as you load the program, and in the bottom side you can see IP address I have given. Please remember, if suppose I reset it, if I reset this, you will get the complete IP address also here in the beginning. Then it starts here. The display, you will get all the information. IP also is available in the display, and other things will be present. So I will be sharing this codes also. I hope you can do it very easily. There is not much of this thing. You can complete the program. You can write on the comments. I hope you will like this video. If you like, please share and subscribe to my channel, so that I can make good videos and good projects for you. And please let me know, right? So thank you for watching. Thank you.